What's going on, guys? It's Jay from Dirty Boy Tools, here to bring you 3 items that I am going to add into different EDC kits, as long as they work out pretty well. The first 2, I'm hoping I could add them to just pocket everyday carry tools, such as my key bar keys, added alongside that, as long as they're comfortable and as long as they fit. And this last one will probably go into a maxpedition mini or maxpedition micro kit. But let me start with the item on the left. As you can see, I already opened it up, but it is a thumb driver, pretty much a very small stubby driver with a set of bits. So this is from a company called, I believe it's pronounced La Bear, made in Taiwan. The company originally started, they went under another name. They started as a place that would make bits and drivers, things like that. So I assume that all their bits are of very good quality. It comes with 2 Phillips, 2 flats, some hex, I assume they're in metric, and a socket converter. So thumb driver is ratcheting. Go left, go right. Seems pretty comfortable so far. It seems like one of those hand drivers, those finger drivers that some people have. I never had too much luck using those. I preferred a full-size stubby, but I want to give this a try, and also give the bits a try. They do look good. Let's see what it says. Thanks for your wise choices, responsible seller. We always care about shop experience from our customers. Let's hear you, and we will do better. Well, you guys did just fine, so no worries about that. It shipped me pretty quickly. Alright, let's check out this next item. This is the one I'm really excited about. Comes with the same note. Alright, so this may look a little strange to you. This is a folding ratchet. Let's see if I can figure this out. This is locked in place. Oh, button here, fold out. Look at that. Got myself a nice small mini ratchet. Now it comes with the keychain attachment. My plan is to honestly cut these away with some bolt cutters or open them up or whatever, and then put the ring directly onto this part and carry it around on a carabiner with my key. I'm not sure if that's the plan yet. Now the bits itself, according to what I saw on the advertisement, they detach like this. Looks like it's a magnetic attachment. Got a Phillips screw in there. Let me turn it. Phillips screw in there. Looks like that Phillips screw is what magnetically attaches to this. I think. Could this be the smallest ratchet? I think it might be. I think 7-Eleven might make smaller ratchets than this, but this is not bad, because this style of ratchet, you can do a little finger driving if you're holding it over, and of course you can reverse it. Feels like it has some give. Feels like it's loose on this end. But again, this is one of those things I gotta try out and really see how it works. But cool thing is, I push the button, put it away, fold it, turns right back into a ratchet system. I can always choose whatever bits I want. Maybe I'll pick and choose the bits I need from here for this set, and add it there. And then I will cut this down and probably make it just a simple keychain thing that I can hang from a carabiner. Very excited to use this and the thumb driver, especially this. This seems like it'll really come in handy when I'm really minimalist, not carrying anything. Last thing, I've actually opened this prior because I don't have that much maturity. So, Fujiya Kuroken 5-inch vice grips. You can get plenty of 5-inch vice grips from plenty of different companies with great features, but I like Fujiya. pliers. I've had good experiences with them, and they look cool. They got gold and black. It's a nice design, nice aesthetic. You know, your EDC, for some people, it's good to have an EDC with a nice aesthetic, nice matching, you know, colored tools, because then it looks like you know what you're doing when you pull out your tools. And let's be honest, sometimes we don't always carry around our EDC tools for use. Sometimes we carry them around for show. At least I do anyway, although they do come in handy. So I can't wait to try these out. I did play with these a little bit before, as you can tell by the package being open. One thing I noticed is this mechanism is very tight in there. Nothing shakes around. Nothing, you know, nothing's loose in here compared to some of the other vice grips I have. So real cool. Gonna see what this tool can do for me. So there you guys have it. 2 tools from La Bear of Taiwan and a Fujiya Kuroken vice grips. If you guys have any experience with these tools or tools similar to it, let me know. I'd love to hear about it in the comments.